up, everybody? This is Star with Star Delta 9 coming at you from the kitchen. I wanted to show you guys my seaweed and sea salt spa bars. But I wanted to kind of talk to you a little bit first about a sea salt and maybe some seaweed and its benefits. Now, seaweed's benefits, they have high vitamins and minerals, iodine, calcium, mag, phosphorus, vitamin C, A, C, D, and E. It's skin soothing. It bursts bloating away, detoxifies, and does an amazing treatment on your skin. It's no wonder it's a classic for spa experience. It helps with cellulitis properties in your body, and it's also for anti-aging. And then when you add the sea salt on top of it, you have microbial properties such as exfoliating, balancing the natural skin oils, detoxifying, nourishing. Contrary to what people think, a sea salt and seaweed bar is very nourishing to the skin. It reduces acne. It has a really creamy lather. It lasts a long time. It's a really hard bar. It has plenty of minerals for our skin, and it decreases inflammation. So I made these this morning, and I've already unmolded 2, and I wanted to unmold some with you, and it's not even been 24 hours yet. So I did the green seaweed on the bottom, and I did salt all the way through, so they're just beautiful. So we'll put them on here. I'm going to launch these for December at thelittlesopshed.com. Oh, they're so cute. Now, when you make a spa bar, you can use 50 to 100% of sea salt. I use 50%. I used about 85% coconut oil, and I super fatted at 20. They're adorable. They smell amazing. I did my own blend. When you make a sea salt bar like these, you probably would be better off putting them in a silicone mold like this if you use more than a 50% salt in your recipe. I only use 50%, so I really like this recipe. They're really beautiful. They are really, really hard. They last a long time in the shower. And this extra super fatting that I did, I used coconut milk, organic coconut milk. Because coconut at a high rate of 80% is drying to the skin. So you have to counteract that with some milk or super fatting. And I used coconut milk. They came out beautiful. And this is why I choose to make them in a silicone mold, because I don't have to worry about them cracking or anything if I put them in a standard mold, because that could happen to you. These are beautiful bars. I'll clean the edges up right here. The salt hardens pretty quickly in your recipe. And as you can see, they pop out very nicely. I had some extra. I'll show you those after we pop these ones out. I put a little poppy seed in the pink part for a little extra exfoliating. They came out lovely. If you've never tried a seaweed and sea salt bar, you are missing out, my friend. Missing out. Oops, I'm sorry, I didn't show you that. And I will clean up the edges like I always do. And then I had some extra, so I just made some extra bars. The pink with the poppy seeds. These will be available 12/4 to ship, and they can be pre-ordered. They are spa bars. They are a little more. So I will be posting them on the Little Soap Shed at www.littlesoapshed.com. And I probably will be posting them tomorrow. If you would like to pre-order some, let me know right away because they don't last long. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is what a spa bar looks like with seaweed and sea salt. Not dead sea salt, sea salt. And they're really, really beautiful. And I have 2 more over on the rack that I already did and cut. But aren't they adorable? They're just adorable. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.